Hi and welcome to lecture subject AMK 3004. How to write introduction. What is in your thesis? Your thesis should addresses a problems or series of problems. Describe what was known about the problems. What you did to solve the problems. What you think the results means. What further progress can be made. Thesis overview include all the subtopics in here. IN Chapter 1, Introduction include background study, problem statements, objectives, scope of study, thesis outline. Background study should include simple introduction to the research and not the whole thesis. Give a brief general overview of your title. Review current status of materials, methods, modeling, etc. Problem statements, and do not add too many literature reviews. Example 1. Properties of Avluzi mud sido-argio as partially replacement to the ordinary Portland cement concrete. Introduce what is Luzi mud sido-argio all about, what is partially replacement in OPC. Is it admixture or pozzolanic materials? Cite the previous researches related to materials used as partial replacement. Example 2. Effect of coconut fiber to the properties of fly ash-based geopolymer concrete. Introduce what is geopolymer. What is coconut fiber? How many production of coconut fiber? Show if there is any graph. Please remember, you should make your introduction interesting so that the reader will continue to read your thesis. Sustain the interest of your reader. Problem statement is a specific condition that needs urgent attention and a possible solution. Problem statement attempts to fill a gap in the existing knowledge that requires serious attention. An excellent problem statement is just a line or two. The rest of the paragraphs is its elaboration, a possible solution, and most importantly, who says that it is a problem, cite references. The problem must generate questions for the research to answer. Your problem statement should include what and where is the problem, how and why you want to solve the problems. Is the problem current? Will the problem continue in the future if it is not solved? Who suffers? Can this problem statement prove or disprove the existing knowledge? Example of problem statement is shown on the screen. There are two problem statements in one paragraph. On the last paragraph of your problem statement, please include summary of what you will do in current research. Research objectives should be related to problem statement. Short, clear and straightforward. Can be measured. Must be within the priority areas or topic. It is very important, it will determine the rest of thesis activity, impact, benefit, expected result or outputs. For FYP project, 2 or 3 objectives are sufficient. These are some of the examples of keywords for research objectives. These are an example of good research objectives. Before going into your research objectives, please add introduction sentence before listing out your objectives. For example, the objectives of the study are, the objectives of this research are listed below. Scope of study should include the limitation of your study. What are you going to study, and how far your study will be? In your scope of your study, explain parameter of your study such as mixed design of concrete, percentage of cement replacement, testing days, types of testing. Explain parameter of your study such as type of software modeling, how many models, what type of analysis. In your thesis outline, explain briefly the contents of each chapter. Common mistake in Chapter 1 is lengthy literature review, unclear directions, objectives, unclear problem statement, many objectives, and scope is too big. Thank you for watching. To mark your attendance, please write one objective of your research title in the Google Drive link given. See you next time. Bye.